How to link pages in Readymag. So we're going to do an example for a few widgets over here, but they pretty much have the same method. So let's say we want to link to our second page. So our second page over here has a cat in it. So let's just go ahead back to our first page where there are a few widgets. Let's say we'd like to click on this text and we want to link it to the second page. What you're going to do is just highlight that text and then choose the link option over here. Then choose the type page number and just press on whatever page you want to link, in our case to. If you want to style up your link, then just go ahead and double click on the default link style and you can choose however you want to style it. Let's just go ahead and change it into a red color and just go ahead and click out and you'll be able to see that our text is now linked to the second page. Let's do the same for this button over here. Choose type page number 2 and this symbol, let's link it as well as page number 2. So let's just go ahead and do a little preview. So pressing on the text goes to our cat or our second page in Readymag. Pressing on the button goes to the second page, and pressing on the symbol goes to the second page. We also have a little back button over here that we just made. But that's pretty much how you link pages in Readymag. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.